And the race is on. Jet Prop from the outside, rushing up Gold Ruler. In between runners, Hidalgo, Cool Reception, Diamond Luster, and 3 number 7, Blitzkrieg from the outside, Taze NC and Reporter. Jet Prop, Hidalgo, Diamond Luster, Cool Reception is racing forward by Darrell. Rushing up is Blitzkrieg and Gold Ruler. Danori inside, Reporter and Tazen C. Inside the line, 650, Jet Prop, Hidalgo. Diamond Luster from the outside. Blitzkrieg is racing forward by Sam Tulangs and Cold Reception. Danori inside. Rounding the far turn, Jet Prop by Hapolan. And on the outside, Diamond Luster. Blitzkrieg rushing up from the outside. Cool Reception down on the inside as they swing for home. Blitzkrieg is now the leader. Cool Reception down on the inside. Diamond Luster, Hidalgo, Jet Prop, Gold Ruler, Report, and Agency. Entering the finish line, Blitzkrieg by some 4 lengths now. And finally, Blitzkrieg, the horse of Mr. Hubert Leong. Second, Cool Reception, Tazency Reporter, Diamond Luster, Hidalgo, Gold Ruler, and Jet Prop.